Hey guys, so if you're looking for a quick solution to install WordPress for your blog or maybe an informational site, this is a fairly and easy option for you. It's called EasyWP by Namecheap. It's basically a managed WordPress hosting solution. So you get 30-day free trial as well if you wanted to try it out. So I'm just going to show you and walk you through how you can do that. So to begin, you can go to namecheap.com/WordPress. I'll leave this link in the description. And then head over to try for free. Currently they have a 30-day free trial which you can give it a shot before you decide. So click on try for free. If you have a Namecheap account, you can log in with Namecheap. But if you don't, please go ahead and create one. I do have an account, so I'm going to click on login with Namecheap. So here we're going to confirm the purchase and click confirm payment. You're not going to be charged until 30 days from the day you start. Once you're here, you can name your site. You can change this later on, but like for now, I'm just going to go with the test blog and click continue. At this stage, if you already have a domain name, you can click on this option. It says you'll be able to connect a domain after creating the website. So you can give a temporary name here for your blog or a website. And then I'm going to still call it test blog and then click continue. We can pick the default theme here and click continue. If you know these plugins, you can go ahead and click on what you wanted to install. But if you don't, you can still click on continue. And this is the final step before they're going to install WordPress for you. You can review your domain that you chose. It's okay, we can change this later. I'm going to hit continue. And now our WordPress installation is done. So now if you hit manage, here you'll be able to see the information regarding the installation. So this is not the WordPress backend, but it's just the backend of EasyWP. So we have backup option here which you can use. You have files and database. This is to access your files. This is basically like the cPanel for EasyWP. And then you have the analytics of how much RAM and CPU you'll be using. And there's also an option for add-ons if you wanted to integrate some of these plugins here. And now to view your website, you can actually click on this link and it should take you to the installation. This is our WordPress installation. And you can also go back here to log in, click on this, and it should automatically log you into the backend of WordPress. And now from our WordPress dashboard, you can go ahead and add a new theme and start setting up your website. So to do that, you can go to Appearance, Themes, click on Add New Theme. And now once you're here, you can go ahead and choose the theme that you like. For this tutorial, I'm going to go with Astra. Click on Install. Click on Activate. To speed things up, we can actually go and install starter templates. Here we have two options. We can go with the AI website builder or you can go with the classic starter templates. I'm going to go with the classic starter template. And you can choose either one of them. I'm comfortable with Elementor, so I'm going to click Elementor. If you see here, you have a lot of options that you can choose from and then customize it later. So I'm going to go with this option here. And I'm going to click on continue. Submit and build my site. And now the installation has done and you can click on view your website. So here we have a simple demo that we just imported. You can go ahead and make changes to this with edit with Elementor or customize to however you like to set it up. That's it guys. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. If you like the video, please like. Thank you so much.